Na mwanjo muligereria mwasiri w'ekitami musikechuri as Migos Ogamba nigana kirebuna amatime a grade 6 nabo grade 9 ayonya kabaga kwa era amatuko amakaitire nigakorete buya nabo igonya kabaga tanga nwanyenaria a grade igoje grade ge 12 ajwa genderete naro nigo abeire ka kugendera tchinjira chindonge na inde chibwanerete asanya kabaga kogania bonsi bali barachikobuna amachiko kwemukeligwa getambugere gatindikere chiko chinga kya matime ayo a genderete.
Every morning at exactly 7 a.m., examination containers such as this one across here are opened across the country and witnessed by all concerned parties. As Kenya transitions fully into the competency-based education, we look forward to a future where assessments are more continuous and authentic, and where such intense policing around examinations becomes less necessary because integrity is built directly into how learning and assessment take place. The 2025 KCSE examinations, now at an advanced stage, have been progressing well. More than 900,000 learners across the country are currently involved in various KCSE examination processes, demonstrating the scale and national significance of this undertaking. Early this week, on Monday, 3rd November, learners under the competency-based education system who are sitting the inaugural Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment, KJSEA, successfully completed their final grade 9 assessments. These pioneers will transition to senior school in 2026, marking a major step in the country's commitment to skills-based learning. Their progress affirms that Kenya's education reforms are well underway and gaining stability. While the overwhelming majority of the examination centers have maintained exemplary standards, including the Machakos County, 19 isolated cases of suspected malpractice have been formally recorded across Nyanza, Rift Valley, and Eastern regions that have been reported to me as at the 6th of November 2025. These incidents primarily involve the misuse of electronic devices, unauthorized materials, early exposure, and impersonation.
Na chinga kichecho omwancho omwaligererio omosike migosi nigaikirana ase omoyegabo kobekerwo wechigutu kwa barkiwa be University ya Machakos chinga ki anyara kabaga korera ngambia mono gochiese abateneri be university ase getambugero kyabo kyo kwene kya buna omogiro obo bwemiremu oyo bete ange emitenyebere nigonyata kabo goika omwelio.
I wish to take this opportunity to thank the university staff unions for agreeing to an amicable settlement and for calling off the industrial action that had disrupted learning in some of our public universities.